A very good evening to all the media friends, both from Assam side and also from Meghalaya side. So, a joint meeting between the governments of Meghalaya and government of Assam was held today, the 22nd August, at Konenara State Guest House to deliberate upon developments following the incidents in Shillong on 19 August 2026. The meeting was led by the Honorable Deputy Minister Bumi from Meghalaya S.S. Dhar and the Honorable Minister's Government of Assam Sri Atul Bora and was attended by the senior officer of both state governments. After detailed deliberations lasting more than 3 hours, and the meeting arrived at the following major decisions. 1. Yes, government of Meghalaya has sincerely regretted the unfortunate incidents of 19 August 2026 in Shillong and are sure to take strong actions against those who are involved. Arrest of the key issue leaders. The government of Meghalaya apprised the meeting that the President, the Vice President, and the General Secretary of the Khasi Student Union have been arrested by invoking the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Acts. 3. FIR registered. The government of Meghalaya informed that 15 FIR have been registered so far in connection with the incidents of 19 August 2026. Identifications of the miscreants. 5 marks persons have so far been identified as being involved in the incidents of 19 August 2026, particularly in the attacks on the Assam registered vehicle. Constitution of the Special Investigation Team. The government of Meghalaya informed that a special investigation team has been constituted to identify all the miscreants involved in the violence in Shillong, particularly those responsible for the attacks on Assam registered vehicle, and to ensure that prosecutions in accordance with the law. Self-movement of Assam registered vehicles. More than 3,720 Assam registered vehicles have already been safely escorted out of Meghalaya into Assam so far. Distress call and evacuations. The Assam Control Room has received 54 distress calls involving 175 persons who are being assisted in evacuations, and these include 22 private vehicles and 5 tourist vehicles. And the government of Meghalaya informed that its control room has received 379 distress calls so far and steps taken to assist them for their safe transit. And movement of stranded vehicles. Most of stranded travelers and vehicles, including approximately 400 to 500 vehicles that were earlier helped on in Meghalaya, have successfully crossed key transit corridor, including the Umiam Lake sections, and completions of evacuations within 48 hours. Any passenger or vehicle yet to be transferred to Assam will be safely escorted and transferred within the next 48 hours. Dedicated exercise will be undertaken to ensure that every tourist or vehicles wishing to return to Assam is facilitated and safely escorted. Dedicated coordination by establishing hotline. It was agreed to establish a dedicated coordination mechanism between the IG Special Branch Assam and the IG Law and Order Meghalaya, along with dedicated helplines. An online support forum will also be activated to assist in locating and facilitating stranded individuals. WhatsApp number is 9+91 810 888. And landline number is 0361 2381 511. This mechanism shall remain operational until the situation is fully normalized. Permanent district level joint committees. And permanent district level joint committee will be constituted comprising the Deputy Commissioners Nongpok and Deputy Commissioner Kamruk Metropolitans, along with the police officer of the corresponding level from both districts, and to ensure that day-to-day issues arising along the interstate border are resolved promptly. Transport. A joint committee comprising the Commission and Secretary level transport authorities of both states, along with the representative of the tourist vehicle associations, will be constituted to facilitate and regulate tourist transport movement and safeguard the shared tourism interests of Assam and Meghalaya state. Safe transit through both states. The government of Assam and Meghalaya will take all necessary measures to ensure safe and secure transit arrangement for vehicles traveling from the southern part of Assam to other part of Assam, including movement from the Barak Valley through Meghalaya, and similarly, necessary arrangement will be made for people traveling from Meghalaya to other part of Meghalaya through Assam. Responsibility for safety and security of tourists and vehicles. The government of Meghalaya reiterated that the state government shall take responsibility for the safety and security of all tourists and vehicles traveling from Assam and other part of the country into Meghalaya during their stay and movement within the state of Meghalaya.
So, sir, one